Hey, hi guys. So we bought just this one by webcam. It's a write pad, okay, pen tablet write pad. So we are getting this magnetic pad, okay, and with this pen. So we are just opening this. Okay, it's a made in China, but the company is from Korea. Okay, Webcom. Okay, so we are getting this pad. Okay, where we can write anything like you can sign, or you can, like, if you have to edit your PDF or documents, anything you can write here. Okay, so in this box we are getting the charging point, the cable point, which help to connect this pad to our laptop or desktop. Okay, we are getting this pen. Okay, this is the instruction box. Okay, this is the instruction, and this is the pen. Okay, so this is pen. Okay, we are getting this magnetic pen. Okay, so, and yeah, we are also getting this connector. Okay, and 3 nib. Okay, this is the nib. If we like broke this nib, then we can use these 3 nibs. Okay, this is the connector, how like we can, in this instruction box, okay, it shows like how you can put that nib in that pen. Okay, you have to take that nib in that circle nib, okay, pen, and then you have to put over there. Okay, so let's see how it connect with your laptop, okay, and how it work. So okay, so it's a USB cable. Okay, and we have to connect this with our laptop, and then with this tab. Okay, so it's a, yeah, it's connected, okay, with your laptop. Now you can use this. Okay, so you can see. Okay, okay, you can see. Okay, now you don't have to put this in that. Okay, so you can see this. Okay, you don't have to put this pen in that tab. Okay, just takes just give some space. Okay, एंड आप यहाँ पे ऐसा थोड़ा सा स्पेस दे के, आपको पूरा टच नहीं करना है, बस स्पेस दे के आपको यू कैन लाइक मूव योर कर्सर. ओके, एंड इफ यू वांट टू राइट समथिंग, ओके, like this pen, okay, just click. Okay, if you want to type, no, okay, just wait. Let me open my pen. Okay, yeah. Okay, so basically we can use this, okay, to sign here. Okay, yeah, you can see that. Okay, like I can sign, and you can write A B C D. So basically we use this tab, okay, to, okay, now also we can do this, close. Okay, don't save. You don't have to put the pen. Okay, to move cursor you don't have to put that pen in that tab. Okay, you just have to move nearby the tab, and you have to just go here and just click. Okay, and if you want to like open this, click. Okay, here's 2 button. Okay, so we can use this. Okay, so how this is going to be open? Okay, so this, so yeah, we can basically use this for, so basically we can use this to sign in the documents. Okay, and any type. Okay, that's it. Thank you.